Hello, dear subscribers. Hope you all are doing great. A warm welcome to our YouTube channel. Here we upload amazing facts related to technology, psychology, food, animals, sports, horror, and many others. Enjoy the facts and share it with your friends and family. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Keep supporting. Afghanistan is rich in natural resources like natural gas and oil. In the US, there are on average 3 sex change operations per day. In a large airplane, there is enough fuel to drive a car around the world 4 times. William Shakespeare was born and died on the same day, April 23. Ancient Egyptians kissed with their noses instead of with their lips. All birds find shelter during the rain, but eagle avoids rain by flying above the clouds. Problems are common, but attitude makes the difference. Alabama was the first state to recognize Christmas as an official holiday. Agriculture is the main source of income for Afghans. Pluto's largest moon, Charon, is half the size of Pluto. The Titanoboa lived 60 million years ago and is the largest, longest, and heaviest snake ever discovered. Babies can't recognize themselves in mirror until they are at least 18 months old. Amazon and Rio Negro, world's biggest river, meets but never mix because of the difference in temperature, density and speed. If just 1.2% of the Sahara Desert is covered by solar panels, we could have produced enough energy to power the entire world. There is a Korean horror film named The Death Bell in which a student is killed for every exam questions answered incorrectly. The creator of the smiley face got paid only $70 and never received any royalties after that. This is a handy way to measure the sky. You can measure the distance between objects in the sky just by your hands and fingers. There is a place in Austria that is a dry park in the winter and 10 meters deep crystal clear lake in the summer. Originally, the design for the first iPhone was literally the shape of an apple. The world's largest functioning ballpoint pen was made by Acharya Makunuri, Srinivasa in India. In 2022, there will be an explosive collision from merging stars. It is going to cause a bright red flash in the space which will be visible from Earth. China claims its quantum computer can solve the problems in just 70 minutes which took Google's computers 8 years to solve. Since Interstellar was released back in 2014, only about 45 minutes have passed on Miller's planet. In Japan, the Hiroshima peace flame has burned continuously since it was lit in 1964 and will remain lit until all nuclear bombs on the planet are destroyed. This trove of Nazi artifacts was discovered inside the Wolf's Flare. Every clock in the Joker is set to 11:11. One of the theories says that the clock does not move because everything is happening in Arthur's head. This is how you travel around in Virgin Atlantic Airlines. In Japan, many families eat a KFC for Christmas dinner. A 16-meter high glass church in the shape of high heel shoe has been built in Taiwan. In the Russian dance Beriska, women move with steps so short that it looks like they are floating. Elephants' brain react to humans the same day the human brain reacts to puppies. They think we are cute. Shaolin Kung Fu, the ancient defense technique, was invented by Bharat and transferred to China by Bodhidharma. Michael Jackson's last journey, 2.5 billion people watched live. This is the most watched live broadcast of all time. US Army soldiers drink tea in a cup of 95,000 rupees. The speciality of this cup is that even cold tea becomes hot. A reporter from Dubai called Umar Burkan Al Gala was ordered to leave Saudi Arabia just because the authorities thought he was too handsome. Real life Tarzan, a man who lived in jungle for 41 years, had no idea women exist. A male tortoise named Advait lived through 3 centuries, born in 1750 and died in 2006 when it reached 250 years of age. Dubai is creating fake rainfall using drones to beat soaring temperatures. Meet Rolf Buchholz, 60-year-old German man with hold the Guinness World Record for the most number of body modification. There is a 180-foot giant stuffed bunny on the top of hill in Italy. Quantum entanglement, where there is a song stuck in your mind and your sibling friend starts randomly singing the same song. This statue depicts Saint Bartholomew, an early Christian martyr who was skinned alive. Enceladus, one of Saturn's smaller moons, reflects 90% of the sun's light. Cats can drink seawater. Unlike humans, they have kidneys that can filter out salt and use the water content to hydrate their bodies. According to some people, Nobita, a fictional character, was actually a real-life boy named Nobita Hiroshi. Saying boots and cats quickly, repeatedly, and at varying tempos is a secret to beatboxing. Thanks for watching.